You better watch out for those people that bounce back from everything that was meant to destroy them. Those are God's people, and they are not to be messed with.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Todd Johnson here. I am back with another video. Yo, so let me tell y'all, this video is a little different. I'm gonna be chilling with my nephew in nature. Look at him, he's talking. Say, hey, what's up? What's up? Hey. Yeah, it's just a nice little vibe. I love coming out, you know. Good? Yeah, y'all, we just chilling. It's always nice to just come out and chill, you know? Come out and chill in nature. I really need to do it more often, but yeah, very chill. I like just chilling out here in nature. There be people walking. Yeah, y'all, this is a beautiful view. It's a lot of nature. We got this beautiful tree right here. It's hard to open them by yourself. Yeah, here. Yeah, good? Yeah. Boy, it's something else. But yeah, y'all, look at these grass. This grass is just beautiful. Everything about it, you know. It's like, I kind of just love nature in every aspect. It's just different. You done already? Dang, boy, you love candy. Try not to give him too much candy, just sometimes he have it, and when he have it, this man about to eat the wrapper. Whole wrapper on there. We try not to give him too much candy, but when he do get candy, we just give him like 4 or 5 of them to eat. Not too much candy though, not right now at least. And I know Halloween coming. I don't know if his mom gonna get him candy or not. My sister probably gonna give him that shit. I don't like him eating too much candy, just a little bit sometimes. Here, you don't need to be eating too much candy. Do not give y'all kids too much candy. It's gonna mess their teeth up. Him, he don't get a lot. He only gets some sometimes. Like, I say like he gets some once every 2 months, 3 months, something like that. But sweets is just not for kids. They shouldn't be really, because they're gonna get addicted to it. When they get addicted, they're not gonna eat real food because they're gonna be too busy focused on eating candy and anything really sweet. So I try not to give him too much candy. I just like to, you know, give him a little bit. And then he got his milk, so he ain't, once he forget about the candy with the milk, I know I did my job. So, but yeah, he ain't gonna be like, oh, I want more candy because he got his milk. So, but look at that view. Yes, sir. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful nature vibes. I love coming out. It's one day. Woo! Yeah. That way. That way. That way. What you see? That boy love candy. Shouldn't be eating too much of it though. But yeah. We out here. Whoop, whoop, sloop, 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 sloop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Say what's up to the TJ Nation. Say what's up, TJ Nation. like it?
Family first, yeah, I love you, mama. Food on the table, I give it 100.